Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of locked account on Picsart. To know how to fix or how to solve locked account on Picsart app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window or to the app of Picsart. After that you can click on force stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.